Hello esteemed colleagues, in this tutorial video we'll review how order reception is being performed by vessel. This is the final stage of vessel order proceeding. Please pay attention that office employee may see options different from crew member account. To begin, you will need to access confirm receipt order. You can do it either from home page or left side menu. Left side represents list of orders to be confirmed. Order should be in ordered status, then vessel can confirm it. Upon selection of order, you will be able to view order details. You will not be able to confirm order if delivery files are not uploaded. So this is the first and most important thing to do. Please pay attention that before uploading delivery file, you have Send Back active button, allowing you to decline order, for example in case if supplier was not able to deliver items for some reason. After uploading delivery files, this button will become inactive. Press on plus sign in attachment section and upload delivery file. After, in ordered items section, you will need to enter received value, indicating how many items have been received. If you will enter value less than has been ordered, meaning you have received not all items. After confirmation, you will be redirected to a new order creation with those positions that you haven't received. Sometimes items can be delivered. In this case, do not forget to enter 0 in receipt field. You can also mark the item as having expiration date, or consume received items if necessary. To consume, tick consume checkbox, and on confirmation you will be prompted how many items you would like to consume. Still, you can review order item history if needed, to understand changes that have been made with items in order. For example, changing of required quantity and enter remarks if needed. After necessary values have been entered, Confirm Receipt button will become active and you can press it to confirm order delivery. Items that have not been consumed will be automatically added to the vessel stock. Save button is used to save changes, for example remarks. Print button can print order details, and upon pressing it you will be prompted to select portrait, landscape, page orientation. Hope this information was helpful. Subscribe to stay tuned, and thanks for watching.